Renewing your Arkansas medical marijuana card is easy and completely online with Elevate Holistics. First, you'll book your appointment and fill out a quick intake form. Next, you'll meet with your provider and you'll receive a same-day physician recommendation, keeping it fast and hassle-free. Lastly, submit the $50 state renewal application fee yourself or let us handle everything for you with our full-service option for total convenience. With Elevate, renewal costs are always an amazing price with a money-back guarantee if you're not approved. Why renew with Elevate? We offer same-day appointments, a 100% online process, and 7-day live support. We're reliable, affordable, and trusted by almost 200,000 patients. The Arkansas state typically processes renewals within 10 to 14 days, and you'll receive your physical card in under 30 days. Keeping your card active ensures continued legal protection, possession, and use. Thank you for letting Elevate be a part of your journey.